How to find your Spotify sound capsule. I'm going to tell you how to find your Spotify sound capsule, or why it's no longer there. The sound capsule was a limited time feature located on the Spotify homepage, or sometimes linked through email or in app banners. It created a personalized listening time capsule based on your mood, habits, and genre preferences. But here's the thing, it was only rolled out in select countries like Brazil, India, and Indonesia, and even then, only to premium users. Spotify labeled it as an experimental feature, and by mid 2024, it quietly disappeared. The official support page still exists, but confirms it's no longer accessible. If you're wondering what might have replaced it, look at newer features like Playlist in a Bottle or Daylist, which are part of Spotify's push for time based or mood driven experiences. But the original sound capsule, it's gone. If you didn't catch it during the limited rollout, it's not coming back for now.